Well, like we mentioned, major fog this morning, and Bob is telling us it's still a problem in some locations.
Yeah, we're not breaking out quite as quickly as we did yesterday. I'll tell you what, I've been doing this for quite a few years, in this market, and one of the toughest things to predict is when that fog is actually going to break in the valley, because it's such a small scale type feature. But I'm expecting to see some blue sky at some point today, at least in Boise. Western and the valley, you might stay socked in. It's pretty thick over there. Dense fog advisory has been extended from 11 to 2 o'clock this afternoon because the fog just doesn't seem to be letting up that much. It's a little bit better out there in some locations, but a dry week. And the fog won't be quite as big a problem late in the week, but still kind of foggy out there. I-84 and Orchard, not a real big problem with visibility at the road level, but still some haze lingering there and giving us those overcast skies. 30 degrees in Boise. We have Meridian at 30 degrees, Napa's at 27, Caldwell at 25. And here is a look at dense fog advisory. It extends from Ontario all the way through Caldwell and Boise into Mountain Home into the Magic Valley. And again, that's been extended from 11 to 2 o'clock. Visibility is quarter of a mile or less. That's the criteria for a dense fog advisory. As far as what's going on above the clouds and the low clouds and the fog, we have some higher level clouds pushing in the Pacific Northwest. Nothing really well organized. Here's our futurecast. We're looking at 11:15 this morning, clear skies, and then we advance this into 8 o'clock this evening. Still no big changes. That high pressure ridge centered right about here, blocking that eastern Pacific moisture. And we continue to see kind of a stagnant weather pattern. Not a whole lot going on, but a little bit stronger impulse of moisture starts to move in and produces some cloud cover just after midnight on Thursday. Then some clouds start to move into the picture. We have some rain on our doorstep, according to the computer model, on Friday. We'll be watching that very closely. We might have to revise that Friday forecast. Right now we're going with partly cloudy, but we might have to see some changes there. 36 degrees for Twin Falls. You're looking at some morning fog. After that burns off, partly cloudy skies. And then partly cloudy skies for McCall with your high right around 30 degrees. Overnight lows will be dipping down into the single digits. And after morning fog, we're looking at breaking out into at least a bit of blue sky. It might be brief this afternoon before the next round of fog moves in this evening. 37 for Boise's high after morning fog. I'm expecting to see a bit of blue sky, much like yesterday's weather pattern. And fog, we'll be dealing with that tomorrow morning, and then mostly sunny skies later in the afternoon. Mostly sunny for Thursday after morning fog. Partly cloudy, a little bit milder as we head into the weekend. Rick?